Good early evening, 4:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Thursday, August 10th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I just wanted to do this little analysis here, see what we're seeing from the general, we know my technical analysis, but I like to compare it across the country here a little bit and see what some of the outlets like to report. And this is UToday, so I look at it a lot. And you guys know I share their stuff, so we might as well look at their price analysis and bounce it off of ours. So XRP price analysis for August 10th. Make sure you hit the like button if you appreciate my content. It greatly helps push me through the analytics, more than you could even imagine. And then subscribe if you appreciate my content. So XRP USD. XRP is one of the biggest losers today, going down by 3.48%. On the local chart, the rate of XRP is in the middle of the channel between the support at 0.6237 and the resistance of 6362. There are low chances of seeing any sharp moves today, as most of the daily ATR has been passed. In this case, ongoing sideways trading around 0.63 is the more likely scenario until tomorrow. And it looks like as well, I think we've put in, as you can see in the daily candle, and this is why I don't think we're going to get much swinging right now. It's at about 0.632. But that looks like a Dragonfly Doji. So this could be signifying that the pattern is strong enough to continue moving up. But we'll see. I don't anticipate anything further to happen much here today. As with this formation, it should stay around the same area until the next daily candle. So for the next 3 hours and 31 minutes, I expect this to be pretty flat here. And then we'll see if we get a continuation candle up in the next daily candle. But we'll have to wait until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which I will be doing another live. And I'll be going live around, it's either 7:07 or 7:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but it'll be going right into the daily close, so we'll be able to see how this plays out in real time. So I hope to see everybody there, as it was a tremendous live earlier for my first time back. It was just unbelievable to see everybody in there. So on the daily chart, the rate of XRP has failed to fix above the interim 64-cent mark, which means sellers keep controlling the situation on the market if the drop to 62 continues. But as you can see on a Dragonfly Doji, that means we have more top-heavy support, which means there are actually more buyers within this daily candle. So let's continue to pay attention to the end of this candle and the start of the next one. The accumulated energy might be enough for a support breakout, followed by a possible blast to the 60-cent area and below. That's if it continues to drop to 62 cents, which right now it reversed back up and we're at about 632. And we're waiting for the daily candle to close to see if we can continue up. So from the midterm point of view, traders should focus on the nearest level of 61 cents. If the bar closes far from it, buyers have a chance to seize the initiative. That can lead to a local rise of the 65-cent range. XRP is trading at 0.6306 at press time, and that's basically where we just seen it. And then if we look at this chart they presented to us, we can see where it's hitting here on the pink support. But we'll see if that can, or that's where it's at right now, but hang on, the support area. But right now as well, you'll see it's in like a supply and demand zone, which to me goes between 61 and 63 cents approximately. But you really don't want to break down, you really want to hold as close to 63 cents as you can. If you break the 6133 and use it as resistance, that could give us further leverage to go down to that 585 double top. Since we've already hit the 6133 broadening wedge support here and pushed up, we'll see what happens here in the short term. But this is the analysis for August 10th. And I think it's pretty important just to listen to all sides and then to see where they have their levels and to see as they're targeting. If we break down towards 62 cents, there's not much stopping us to continue, the continuation of 61 cents. Otherwise, we have a Dragonfly Doji in the daily, and that would signify that we're probably topped out here for now until the next daily candle. So for the next 2.5 hours, it's going to trade pretty much sideways. But a close over 631 is very big in this circumstance. And then if you can get up over 64 cents, that would be even huge. That would be huge. But we're looking for a close around the 631. But this Dragonfly Doji tells us we have to pay attention to the next daily candle. And then on the next daily candle, if it starts off bullish and we get a little bit of support, we could be turning to confirm that breakout here. So pay very close attention. I'm trying to teach you each and every day. Make sure you hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel.